Today at Race Roamings, I will take you on another very popular hike off I-90, Franklin Falls. Come and join us! Franklin Falls is a very popular hike both in the summertime and in the wintertime. In the summertime, this hike is perfect for beginners at only 2 miles round trip in length with 400 feet of elevation gain. In the wintertime, this hike takes a little bit longer. You can take 2 different routes to get to Franklin Falls. As the normal trailhead via exit 47 at Denny Creek closes well before the trailhead parking lot in the wintertime, the hike tacks on an extra 5 miles of walking on Forest Service roads, increasing your mileage from the regular 2 miles to 7 miles instead, depending on how far down the road you park. The second route takes you to exit 52 by Snoqualmie Pass. The trail is right across from Kendall Catwalk, PCT, and Commonwealth Basin trails, and parking can get tricky. I suggest parking by the ski resort to avoid getting towed. Do not risk parking at the no parking zones on either side of the road. This trail is shorter at only 4 miles round trip. One caveat to this option, however, is that you start this hike going downhill, which means the hard part is going back to your car. Now, if you want a bit of a longer hike and explore all that the Franklin Falls Trail has to offer, you can do a loop just like what we did as seen here. At 5.7 miles round trip, you get a longer hike in, see all the sights that you would otherwise miss if you take the shorter Snoqualmie exit hike, and avoid most of the boring Forest Service roads that the longer Denny Creek exit offers. You also get to do the less populated Wagon Road trail, allowing you to walk on more pristine and less traveled snow paths. If you do decide to do this trail, be prepared to have a map with you, as navigating this in the snow can get tricky. Depending on the year, these gorgeous 70-foot falls may freeze in the wintertime and transforms this normally beautiful waterfall into an ice climbing destination. The highest chance of seeing this waterfall frozen is during January and February, depending on weather conditions. The trail descending down to the waterfalls gets icy in winter, and using micro spikes is highly recommended. Take note as well that there is an avalanche chute on the opposite side of the creek at the foot of the waterfalls, so avoid going down to the base of the waterfalls in times of high avalanche danger. Thank you for watching this hike, and if you like this video and want to see more contents like this, please don't hesitate to hit that like and subscribe button. For any questions, let me know on the comment section below. Happy roamings, everybody!
Go!